Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to study all day and night. First, let's plan your study marathon effectively. Begin by creating a comprehensive schedule, allocating specific times for each subject. Break down your study goals into smaller, manageable one-hour segments to maintain focus. Prioritize your most challenging subjects during your peak concentration times. Ensure all your study materials, like textbooks and notes, are readily accessible before you begin. This preparation is crucial for a successful and sustained study session. To maximize your study sessions, incorporate active learning techniques. Try using flashcards or quizzing yourself regularly to test your knowledge and improve recall. Implement the Pomodoro technique, studying intensely for 25 minutes followed by a 5-minute break. This structured approach helps maintain focus and prevents burnout. Varying your study methods, perhaps by watching a video or discussing with a peer, keeps your brain engaged. Consistent review is key to solidifying what you've learned. Sustaining energy and focus throughout an extended study period is vital. Remember to stay well hydrated by drinking at least 8 glasses of water. Take short, strategic breaks every hour or two to stretch and rest your eyes, preventing fatigue. Fuel your body and brain with nutritious snacks like fruits and nuts and balanced meals. A comfortable, well-lit study environment, free from distractions, will significantly enhance your concentration and overall productivity for many hours. Even during an all-day and night study session, strategic rest is essential. Consider taking a 20 to 30-minute power nap to refresh your mind and improve cognitive function. Incorporate brief physical activity, like a 10-minute walk, to boost circulation and maintain alertness. As your study period winds down, avoid caffeine and heavy meals to prepare your body for eventual rest. Always conclude with a clear plan for your next study block, ensuring a smooth transition.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.